Hi, I'm Brennan Palmiter, Applications Engineer at Capital Robotics. Today what we're going to be covering is DC Low Spatter. This feature is available on L Series Welbees. Alright, so keeping in mind we're going to set our machine clockwise, we're going to leave our travel speed at standard. Our weld method, we're going to go ahead and toggle down to DC Low Spatter, and then I'm going to jump over to my wire material and I'm going to set for mild steel. For my gases, I'm going to run a 80-20 mix, and my gas indicator is going to be on that light. For wire diameter, for this example, I'm running 0.45, so I'll go ahead and leave that there. And then I'm not going to mess with my crater fill option. I'm going to go up and set my amps. Now, something to remember is on DC Low Spatter, we don't want to go over 175 amps. For this example, I think we're just going to run 125. So I'll use my one knob control, and I'll adjust my amperage to 125. On my synergic value or my arc tune length, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 0 for this time being. Something to remember when you're setting up your P500L for DC Low Spatter is that we do need to connect our direct voltage detection cable, which is going to be crucial to be able to make this process work. All right, so now that we've set up our machine for DC Low Spatter and we've connected our DC Low Spatter direct voltage detection cable. Its cable is very important. We're going to go ahead and put it on the other side of the table, and we're going to go ahead and run a demo. Okay, so that's our DC Low Spatter. How is DC Low Spatter achieved? Through our direct voltage detection cable, the Welbee can actually sense spikes or peaks and regulate our voltage or our amperage to achieve 1 droplet per wave cycle, essentially eliminating spatter. If you need more information, check out our YouTube channel, or you can go to our website, www.capitalrobotics.com. Thank you.